The Siamese crocodile is a medium-sized freshwater crocodile native to Indonesia, Brunei, East Malaysia, Laos, Cambodia, Myanmar, Thailand and Vietnam. The species is critically endangered and already extirpated from many regions. Its other common names include Siamese freshwater crocodile, Singapore small grain, and soft belly. Below is a cladogram based on a 2018 tip dating study by Lee and Yates simultaneously using morphological, molecular, and stratigraphic data, as revised by the 2021 Hekala et al. Paleogenomics study using DNA extracted from the extinct Voi Crocodilus anthropophagus, Crocodilus thopjarnersong, Crocodilus paleoindicus, Crocodilus terry, desert crocodilus johnstoni, freshwater crocodile, Crocodilus novaeguinei, New Guinea crocodile, Crocodilus mindorensis, Philippine crocodile, Crocodilus porosus, saltwater crocodile, Crocodilus siamesis, Siamese crocodile, Crocodilus palustri, mugger crocodile, Crocodilus chechei, Crocodilus falconensis, Crocodilus suchus, West African crocodile, Crocodilus niloticus, Nile crocodile, Crocodilus molleti, Mollet's crocodile, Crocodilus rhombifer, Cuban crocodile, Crocodilus intermedius, Orinoco crocodile, Crocodilus acutus, American crocodile. The Siamese crocodile is a medium-sized, freshwater crocodilian, with a relatively broad, smooth snout and an elevated, bony crest behind each eye. Overall, it is an olive green color, with some variation to dark green. Young specimens measure 1.2 to 1.5 meters and a weight of 40 to 70 kilograms. Large male specimens can reach 4 meters in length. Siamese crocodiles occur in a wide range of freshwater habitats, including slow-moving rivers and streams, lakes, seasonal oxbow lakes, marshes and swamplands. Despite conservation concerns, many aspects of C. Siamese's life history in the wild remain unknown, particularly regarding its reproductive biology. Adults feed mainly on fish and snakes, but also eat amphibians and small mammals. Very little is known about the natural history of this species in the wild, but females build mound nests constructed from scraped-up plant debris mixed with mud. In captivity, these crocodiles breed during the wet season, laying between 15 and 50 eggs, which are then guarded until they hatch. After incubation, the female will assist her young as they break out of their eggs and then carry the hatchlings to the water in her jaws. Pure and hybridized examples of this species are generally unaggressive towards humans, and there are only 4 confirmed attacks, none of them fatal. One was defending its young, another was probably defending itself. One was provoked, and the reason for the last is unclear. A 5th attack in 1928 that was probably done by a Siamese crocodile was fatal, with the victim being a child. This crocodile is classified as critically endangered on the IUCN Red List, and is listed on Appendix I of CITES. It is one of the most endangered crocodiles in the wild, although it is extensively bred in captivity. Siamese crocodiles are under threat from human disturbance and habitat occupation, which is forcing remaining populations to the edges of their former range. Extinct from 99% of its original range, the Siamese crocodile is considered one of the least studied and most critically endangered crocodilians in the world. Although few wild populations remain, more than 700,000 C. Siamese are held on commercial crocodile farms in Southeast Asia. In 1992, it was believed to be extremely close to a fully extinct in the wild until 2000, when scientists from Fauna and Flora International and the government of Cambodia's Forestry Administration confirmed the presence of Siamese crocodiles in the Cardamom Mountains in southwest Cambodia. Since then, surveys have identified around 30 sites in Cambodia that contain wild Siamese crocodiles. Cat Tien National Park has about 200, and a more sizable population in Laos. In March 2005, conservationists found a nest containing juvenile Siamese crocodiles in the southern Lao province of Savanakhet. There are no recent records from Malaysia, Burma or Brunei. A small but important population of the crocodiles is also known to live in East Kalimantan, Indonesia. Factors causing loss of habitat include conversion of wetlands for agriculture, chemical fertilizers use of pesticide in rice production, and an increase in the population of cattle. The effects of warfare stemming from the conflicts in Vietnam, Laos, and Cambodia during the Vietnam War have also been factored. Many river systems, including those in protected areas, have hydroelectric power dams approved or proposed, which are likely to cause the loss of about half of the remaining breeding colonies within the next 10 years. One cause for habitat degradation via hydrological changes, for the Siamese crocodile, is the implementation of dams on the upper Mekong River and its major tributaries. Potential impacts of dam construction include wetland loss and altered flooding cycle with a dry season flow 50%.